You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing Indian city names too, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Yes, this is the name of a city in India. How do you say it? Panaji. Panaji, although in American English it is sometimes said as Panaji, but in British English and in India, Panaji. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.